Hello guys, today uh, I chose to take you a bit of a tour on the software that I use to design. There are a couple of softwares that you can invest in when you're starting as a graphic designer. So we have a world of software that are available in the market, and what I would recommend is that you work with Adobe softwares. They're not only good, but they also offer good quality. They are simpler to understand, and they are very professional. So if you are working on designs for printing, maybe social media, all that, uh, there are a couple of software that I will recommend that work well for you. So we have um, software like Adobe Illustrator, so which you can choose with either version that you want to use. We have style for 2020. We have more like 2017. You can also get 2015, but this depends on the specs for your PC. If you're working with a PC, then make sure that your software is aligned with the version that you're working with. Don't install a 2017, 2021 software on a code to do PC. It won't work well. So make sure you compare the specification for your machine with the software, and before you purchase the software, there are a couple of details that they list there, the requirements that are required for your PC. So be keen on which software that you are looking to buy. So as for me, 2020, 2019, in the lower version work well for my machine. So if you have a faster machine, like if you're using a Mac OS, maybe Catalina, maybe 10.1, 10.15 Mac OS, then that will work for you. Um, but if you have something lower, then work with the lower version. Also, we have a virtual software which also has a various versions, starting from CS to CC 2021. So you can also choose the CS Photoshop CC. Um, usually used for working the image. So if you want to do a cool stuff like you want to improve your photography, or you want to uh, improve your images, then Photoshop will work for you. There's also one software that I haven't installed in my machine, that is Adobe Lightroom. The software looks like this. So this is meant specifically for photography. If you are a photography guy, this work for you. Don't use the mobile phone application. That won't give you a very good work. So this is a Adobe Lightroom. Um, and you can edit in several images at once. It has a feature that you can apply the filters and all the image adjustments at the same time. So for the Lightroom, for the photography guide is the software. And also we have another software for the graphic designers, um, uh, which is called Adobe Indesign. Adobe Indesign is meant for the creatives who are interested in working with the layouts, book layouts, and maybe perhaps magazines, and in general books. So this is more books presentations you want if you are that kind of a person. So this is design, and these are plans for various categories, that is individuals, business, and students. So if you are looking to buy a software online for Adobe, there are a couple of plans that they have. So if you are you're buying it for your work, then there is a individual plan, there's a business. If you're a student or a teacher, you can get, and if you're buying it for the school, then you have a plan for the university. So it varies with the department or the institution that you work, or the category that you are in. So there are various plans for the same. So those who work with the software development and all that, you're not electoral. So there's Adobe Dreamweaver. So if you do websites and all that, Adobe Dreamweaver will work for you, and it has a couple of features that they have installed. So it has one of the things that I like about Dreamweaver is that it has a bootstrap installed in it. So you don't have to install bootstrap in your machine, so you can work with Dreamweaver. So it carries several features in it. So uh, go look at it and then compare the software that you're using. Then you will find out that this is the best that there is in the market. Same with the InDesign, you can find it online. When you go to adobe.com, you can find the plans there and you can buy. They have various um, pricing that are categorized in different categories. So choose which one will work for you, the one that will work for you. Um, from that, I also work with the Adobe Audition. This is for creating for recording my job and my tutorials. So Adobe Audition is one of the software that give you a high quality audio and a very cool and smooth recording with no interruption and no background sounds. So uh, um, I would recommend to work with Adobe. Of course, there are other software like CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW comes with a full suite that can work with images and all that. But for the industry purpose and the professionalism, then I prefer that you work with Adobe. It's the best that you can ever find in the market. There are other various softwares like Inkscape, which works same as Illustrator, and so on. Like there are infinite, like there are countless softwares in the market, but Photoshop has been there. Not Photoshop, Adobe has been there for decades. So if you're choosing a software that you want to start with, choose Adobe. It will never fail you. Thank you guys for watching, and always have a good time until next time. Thank you.